This video explains how to apply the date function to get the current date and time in the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. So if we want to return the current date and time in RStudio, we can simply apply the date function, as you can see in line 2 of the code. And we don't have to specify any arguments within the function, we can simply run it as you can see in line 2. So after running this line of code, you can see at the bottom in RStudio that a new output is returned, which is showing the current date and time. So at the time when I'm recording this video, it is Wednesday, January the 18th, 2023 at 11:42 a.m. So for example, we can use the date function to measure the starting and finishing time of a code, as I will show you in the next part of the code. So in line 4 of the code, I'm storing the current date and time in a data object that I'm calling time1. So after running this line of code, you can see at the top right of RStudio that a new data object called time1 is appearing. And then let's assume that we want to execute some random code. So in this case, I'm creating several data objects and I'm performing some calculations based on these data objects. This is not important for this tutorial. I just want to demonstrate that I'm executing some code in between. And then I'm applying the date function once again, and this time I'm storing the output of the date function in another data object that I'm calling time2. So after running line 10 of the code, this second data object is appearing at the top right. And now we could have a look at those two data objects by running lines 12 and 13 of the code. And then you can see at the bottom that our two date time objects contain different times, and these times show the point in time when I have started the code and when I have finished executing the code. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.